Tack Talk with Paul from the Western Experience.
Hey, Paul here from the Western Experience. Let's talk cinches today. People always have a lot of questions about cinches, so let's see if we can answer a few. First off, how long should my cinch be? Typically, I always tell people I like to see about a hand's length between the buckle and the ring on the saddle. So in this area, and you'll notice that's kind of in the area of where the holes would be as well. So if you keep that in mind, that's going to help you determine the overall length of the cinch once you have it snugged up on the horse. And this is about the distance we'd like to see, somewhere right in there, like I say, about a hand's length. The other thing, keep in mind with the cinch, there is a right and a wrong or an offside. The offside typically has the pocket on here that you can tuck the excess billet into. So if you're putting it on backwards and the pocket's on the near side, turn it around. And oftentimes you'll notice the buckles will be a little different too. The near side will usually have a roller of some sort on it. So keep that in mind as far as determining the length of the cinch that you need to use. If you're coming way up to here, you need to go to a shorter cinch. If you're way down, you need to go to a longer one. Of course, we want to center it on the horse as well. People always say, well, what's the best cinch? If you're a traditional cowboy, cowgirl, the classic mohair cinch is still one of the most desirable. They move with the horse, they breathe well. If you're going to buy one, I'd recommend buying a 27 strand. You'll notice the multiple layers, a little stronger, a little more comfortable on the horse versus a 15 strand that's just going to be a single ply and not nearly as much comfort for the horse and the strength alone. Secondly, buying cinches. My recommendation is always buy stainless steel hardware. In other words, the buckles are going to be stainless steel. If they're a chrome plated buckle, they will rust over a very short amount of time. From the sweat from the horse will really contribute to it. Before you know it, that rusty buckle is going to cut right through the fibers of the cinch. So invest in stainless steel. If you like something a little more technical, there's always the neoprene cinches. Neoprene, if you're going to buy a neoprene cinch, a lot of them are Velcroed on, so you can remove the pad and wash it, which is a real nice feature. But more importantly, if you're going to buy neoprene that's a limestone-based neoprene. This is what they make wetsuits out of. The sweat from your horse isn't going to bother this. Oftentimes you'll see cinches that use a petroleum-based or a rubber-based product, and before you know it, they're all cracking and dry. That's because the sweat has eaten them up. So limestone-based neoprene, less apt to irritate your horse as well. We've got a cinch that's been out for quite a while, but they're very popular. It's called Soft Touch. This cinch has a rolled edge on it, a nice quality cinch, stainless hardware on it, comes in both brown and black. If you have a horse that's a little sensitive, oftentimes this will create a little bit of a sweat here, and it works like a lubricant. Because remember, the cinch is just designed to hold the saddle on the horse. It's not designed to keep the saddle from rolling. You don't want it to be binding against the horse, or that's when you'll start to gall a horse. So the Soft Touch is a very popular cinch, very comfortable, very low maintenance to wash as well. Lastly, there's talk about shoulder relief type cinches and ergonomic design cinches. This is one of those. We carry a couple different models in that. It has Velcro on it, but the design of it will actually move the cinch slightly back off of the body and create a little more relief to the horse. Whether it works or not, some people really like them, but they're available. So lots to talk about cinches. Get your length right, buy stainless steel hardware, and then from there, go with the quality cinch, whether it's a neoprene cinch, a felt cinch, or whatever, and it'll last you for years. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe for another Tack Talk feature with Paul, coming soon.